All right. Good afternoon, students. This is Mr. Dewale, your mathematics teacher. We are here for mathematics again today. We are considering exponential equations. Exponential equation. What are exponential equations? They are equations that the powers are unknown. When you have equations whose power are unknown, when you have the power that is unknown, then you have exponential equation. Equations whose power are unknown. You can see raised to power x, raised to power 2x plus 1. So those are exponential equations. So we want to solve them today. Like I always tell you, mathematics is simple and straightforward. Just pay attention as we go into it. All right, so let's start. First question now. We are solving the first question now, and that is 5 raised to power 2x. Please pay attention. Minus 26 bracket 5 raised to power x plus 25 equals 0. How do you solve this? All right, follow me. You will still apply indices. The laws of indices are still also applicable here. All right, you will agree with me that this can be written as 5 raised to power x bracket 2. That's in indices. That's power product law in indices. Minus 26 bracket 5 raised to power x plus 25 equals 0. All right, you can see we have 5 raised to power x here. We have 5 raised to power x here. So can we say let 5 raised to power x be, let's call it p. All right, p now, p squared, this p now, p squared minus 26 bracket p plus 25 equals 0. I hope you are getting it. Now, this is now a quadratic equation. It has turned to a quadratic equation. Now, solving quadratic equation, what is coefficient? Coefficient of p here, that's 1 of p squared. Then multiply by, what's the constant here? That's 25. And that will be 25. What are the factors of 25? That's 1 times 25 is 25. Other factors, we have 5 times 5. That's 25. All right. These are the factors of 25. Which of them? You check the coefficient of p, and that's minus 26. Which of these can you manipulate to get 26? 1 and 25, when you add it or subtract, you will notice that we can get 26. There is nothing you can do to 5 and 5, whether addition or subtraction, that will give you 26. So the factors that will replace 26 will be 1 and 25. Now, all right, let's get into that now. P squared minus 26 now be minus p minus 25. Now we have used minus 1 and then minus 25 now. And when you multiply it, minus 1 and minus 25, you get plus 25 again. All right, and when you add it, you get minus 26. So these are the factors. Plus 25 is p now equals 0. Then you collect like 10. What's common? P bracket p minus 1 minus what's common? 25 bracket p minus 1 equals 0. Now if you want to check, is it correct? Minus times plus is minus. Minus times minus is plus. 25 times 1 is 25. 25 times p is 25p. I hope that is clear. So you pick these ones together, p minus 25, and then you pick one of the content, p minus 1 equals 0. Then equate them to 0. P minus 25 equals 0, or you say p minus 1 equals 0. So p invariably will be 25, or p will be what? 1. But recall, you will now recall that we said what? Up there we said 5x equals what? Equals p. So you say 5 raised to power x will be 25, or you say 5 raised to power x equals 1. So you say 5 raised to power x equals 25 is 5 raised to power 2, or you say 5 raised to power x equals 5 raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. So you can cut this, and our x will be 2, or 5. This one cut this, or you say x will be 0. So for the equation, our x will be 0 or 2. I hope that is clear. Look at it carefully again. How did we do it? Check it again. Now you apply the law of indices in solving it. You change this now so you can have the same exponential expression. Then you replace it. Let it be B or any alphabet, then you solve it by factorization and you get your answer. Thank you. God bless you. The next one now. Question now. The second question now, we have 5 raised to power 2x plus 1 minus 26 bracket 5 raised to power x plus 5 equals 0. You see, this is a bit different. So how do we do it? If you have mastered the laws of indices, so you can change this to 5 raised to power 2x multiply by this 5 raised to power 1. Let me put multiplication here. So this one will be changed to this. Indices now, you have common base, it turns to addition. I hope that is clear. Minus 26 bracket 5 raised to power x plus 5 equals 0. Then you can change this. 5 raised to power 2x will be 5 raised to power x squared multiplied by 5 minus 26 bracket 5 raised to power x plus 5 equals 0. I hope you are getting it. All right. So I can say let 5 raised to power x be k. Let's call it k. So you have k squared multiplied by 5 minus 26k plus 5 equals 0. And that is clear. Then you have 5k squared minus 26k plus 5 equals 0. Then this is a quadratic equation. Now, a quadratic equation is an equation whose the highest power is 2. So this is a quadratic equation. How do you do that now? Solve it. So the coefficient is 5 of the k square is 5, and then the constant here 5, that's 25. Other factors of 25 is 25 times 1, that's also 25. Now, but for you to make a choice now, look at the coefficient of k, that's minus 26. Which of these factors can be manipulated to get 26? 5 and 5, whether by addition or subtraction, will never give 26. But 25 and 1 will give you 26. So that means this is the appropriate factors to be used to change, to exchange, to substitute for 26 here. All right? Then you have 5k squared. Instead of 26, you have minus 25k minus k. That's 1k, same thing as k. All right? Plus 5 equals 0. So we have replaced 26 with minus 25k and minus k. Then you collect, like, what's common? You factorize now. Then 5k is common, bracket you have k minus 5 minus 1 bracket, what's common? K minus 5. All right? Having done this, repeat this 5k here and minus 1, and one of the content k minus 5 equals 0. I hope you are getting that. Then we find the value of k by equating each of them to 0. We have 5k minus 1 equals 0, or k minus 5 equals 0. So 5k will be 1, and so k will be what? 1 divided by 5. Or you say k will be what? Equals 5. All right, you recall that we said 5 raised to power x equals k. So you can say 5 raised to power x equals 1 over 5. And 1 over 5 same thing as what? 5 raised to power minus 1. Or you say 5 raised to power x equals k. K also is 5. So 5 raised to power x equals 5 raised to power minus 1. So 5 cancel 5, and you have x equals what? Minus 1. Our x equals minus 1, or 5 cancels this 5 raised to power 1 now. And so x is what? 1. So our x equals minus 1, or x equals 1. I hope that is clear. Look at it again. All right. So check it again. See the way it was expressed. Then you will do well to go over it, and then you will solve the last two questions. The last two questions, you will solve them. So check them with the questions again. You have 3 raised to power 2x minus 2 bracket 3 raised to power x minus 3 equals 0, and 2 raised to power 2x plus 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 minus 8 equals 0. You will attempt them and leave your answer at the comment section. God bless you. Thank you.